We have created the most powerful, turnkey, foolproof system in the world today. If you're serious about achieving total financial freedom, then you are finally at the right place at the right time. The system is really quite simple, but don't let that fool you. It's very powerful. Using our direct member-to-member tracking software, the system will tell you who to send to, how much, where, and any specific methods of receipt the member accepts. It's brilliant, and it all works behind the scenes, without effort from you. The plan is called a reverse two-up system. Here's how it works. Let's say you refer Ellen, John, Patty, and Peggy. The reverse two-up is designed to send the funds to you first. So by referring Ellen, you have now received what you sent to your inviter. How cool is that? Patty, your third person, also sends to you. You can refer as many people as you'd like. Every person, from the fifth person to infinity that you refer, all stay direct to you, each of which will send the funds to you directly, and also refer thereto, who refer thereto, who refer thereto, and so on to infinity. Now here's where it gets really exciting. It's called vertical acceleration. The second and fourth, in this case John and Peggy, are coded by the system to roll up to your inviter as your qualifying referrals. You are now qualified for life. Now before you get concerned that two people you referred were given away, that's exactly why vertical acceleration is so powerful. It's duplication in action. Duplication in action. Let me explain. Every person you keep, in this case Ellen and Patty, now have to do the same thing you just did. In order to be fully qualified, they must refer their second and fourth person up. For example, let's say Ellen refers Mike and Steve, and Patty refers Mary and Paul. That means that a total of 4 new people are now designated by the software to send to you and roll up to your direct line. They are now considered to be personally referred by you. But it doesn't end there. Now that Mike, Steve, Mary, and Paul are now direct to you, in order for them to be fully qualified, they also have to refer their second and fourth to you. This roll-up and qualification process happens forever, and it's your freedom ticket. So there you have it. Simple, powerful, and it can change your financial picture fast.